Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can download WhatsApp backup chat. So let's get started. So first things to know is that WhatsApp does not let you directly download chats from Google Drive or iCloud, and you can either export chats or store backup to a device. So the first method is exporting chat directly. To do that, you gotta open WhatsApp and open the chat that you wish to export. After that, you gotta click on the profile at the top. And then over here, you're going to scroll down and at the bottom, you'll be able to see some options. So you're going to click on export chat and then you're going to select whether you want to attach media or you want it without the media. So let's say I'm going to click on without media, click on that and you'll be able to see the chats exporting. After that, you'll be able to see a zip archive. You can send it to whoever you want, or you can download it to your files by clicking on Save to Files, and you can use that later on. And now the second way is restoring backup to a device. So first, you gotta ensure your backup exists on Google Drive or on Android or iCloud on iPhone. And you gotta uninstall WhatsApp. After that, you gotta reinstall WhatsApp and verify your number. You'll be able to see an option of restore chat backup. Simply tap on that and all chats will be downloaded back to your device. And that's the end of today's video. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing and leaving a like. It really helps me out, and I'll see you next time.